Today I'll be installing a Spoon Sports rear view mirror in my 1999 Honda Civic, and this is how it's packaged. It's packaged pretty well, and on the back you can see which Honda models it fits, and there's the part number here. So first thing I did, and the reason I'm replacing it is because the mirror itself, you can see it's got a crack there. So the first thing I did was to clean the mirror with rubbing alcohol and then give it a couple minutes, let it dry so it's nice and clean. And then looking at the new mirror in the box, it's encased in nice foam, and then it's got the Spoon Sports logo on there in the corner, and on the back of it, it has 3M tape. So I'm just going to peel off the 3M tape and then press it up against the mirror for about a minute, and then it should be fixed to it. And this is the outcome with the mirror. It took just over 2 minutes to install, and it gives you a nice wide view. Slight blue tint to it. You do lose the feature of being able to darken the mirror at nighttime, but with mine being cracked, I think this is much better overall.